Theo for sure give me a lot of support. For example, Theo helped me to improve my CV and also helped me to preparing my interview. Hi there, my name is Jihui and my English name is Noah. I come from China and I've already been here for already 3 years. I took the MBA program and I chose the International Business Specialist. I chose TO because it's offering a very practical international program, especially in business and hospitality. And also, we got a very small class, so you can really got attention from the lecturer as well. And also very important is TO really got a certification by Chinese ministry, which means my degree can be really certified in China when I need it for study or work. What I was really enjoyed in TO was the strategic analysis process. As we do simulate the real business game and we make the decision like the real manager, and it's really practiced my mindset strategically, and I do use it in my current life and also my work. Netherlands is a very international country and people here are very diverse, very welcoming. So most of the people here can speak English and it's very easy to live here. The food here is amazing. We have a lot of Chinese restaurants, by the way, and also some like the waffle is a kind of typical Dutch food, right? I also very like it. But if you really want to go for some Asian food, we also have a multiple choice for you. Many good Chinese restaurants. 2 years ago, I just finished my study at TO. And right now I'm working in a very international cooperation and I'm being a very international business role here in Netherlands. And in the future, I'm planning to take more responsibility on and growing into a more strategic role, maybe in a project or business development. People, we come from different backgrounds, so it makes it even more fun and interesting. So I really like it. Sometimes maybe find a house in Netherlands is not easy, but TO can offer you some housing choice and you can easily get a cute studio here. You can have a very cute space to live during the year you study here. After work or after school, sometimes I go for a gym. And also I tried horse riding sports here. It's affordable and it's very interesting. Holland is not that expensive. But if you have a very limited budget, you can always find a part-time job after study. I love dog cheese. I'd say go for it because TO is very international, practical, and you can get a real practice in business and you can meet people around the world. You can practice your English, get ready for the future working life. And also, Netherlands is very good to live. See, it's very safe and beautiful. Yes, and just go for it.